In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a group on Clickup, the all-encompassing app that's transforming the way we manage work. Whether you're a Clickup novice or looking to refine your understanding of its group creation feature, this guide is tailored for you. We'll walk through the process, providing you with a detailed breakdown in a clear, conversational tone. So, grab a coffee and let's dive right into it. Starting off, navigating to Clickup is your first step. It's the gateway to managing your projects, tasks, and crucially for today, your teams. If you're already familiar with Clickup, you know it prides itself on being the everything app for work. And rightly so. Upon reaching Clickup's homepage, you're presented with a user-friendly interface that guides you to your next step with ease. If you're new, take a moment to admire its clean design. It's part of what makes Clickup a joy to use. Next, you'll need to sign in to access the full suite of features Clickup offers. This means entering your email address. It's straightforward. Just ensure you use the email associated with your Clickup account to avoid any login issues. After inputting your email, the next field asks for your password. Take an extra second to double check your credentials. It's easy to mistype, and let's admit we've all done it. Now, with your email and password correctly entered, it's time to click on login. This action grants you access to your Clickup workspace. It's essentially your command center where the magic of organization happens. Here, your tasks, projects, and teams are within reach, making managing them a breeze. Upon entry into your workspace, navigating to your home dashboard reveals an overview of your Clickup environment. This is where your productivity journey in Clickup really begins. It's from here that the next steps flow seamlessly. In the top right-hand corner, you'll notice the profile icon. Clicking on this icon reveals a drop-down menu packed with options, but for now we're interested in the settings. This is where the administrative magic happens, allowing you to tweak Clickup to fit your needs perfectly. Within settings there's an array of choices, but we're honing in on teams. This is crucial for those looking to enhance collaboration within Clickup. Teams in Clickup encapsulate groups of users, streamlining project management and improving workflow. As you click on Teams, you're one step closer to adding a new dimension to your Clickup experience. Now, the moment we've been building up to create a team. This option is the gateway to expanding your Clickup setup, enabling more collaborative and structured project management. Before you proceed, it's essential to understand that your ability to create teams might be limited by your Clickup plan. If you're on a plan that supports unlimited team creation, you're in luck. If not, this could be the nudge to consider upgrading your Clickup plan for a more expansive user experience. As you click on Create a Team, envisage how this new team will function within your workspace. Will it be project-specific, or perhaps function-based? The beauty of Clickup is in its flexibility, allowing you to tailor your workspace to your exact needs. Creating a team in Clickup not only enhances collaboration, but also brings a level of organization that's hard to beat. It's about bringing your work under one roof, where everything from task assignments to communications is streamlined. Remember, the goal is to make your work life easier, more productive, and yes, more enjoyable. In wrapping up, adding a group in Clickup fundamentally changes how you navigate your tasks and projects. It's an integral feature that promotes collaboration, ensures your tasks are well organized, and ultimately boosts productivity. As you familiarize yourself with this process, you'll find Clickup's versatility to be unmatched. It's not just about adding a group, it's about optimizing your work process, breaking down complex projects into manageable tasks, and fostering a culture of teamwork and efficiency. I hope this guide has illuminated the path to adding groups in Clickup for you. With these steps, you're well on your way to harnessing the full potential of Clickup, transforming how you manage work projects and collaborate with your team. Remember, the key to success in Clickup is exploration and customization, making the app work for you in the most effective way possible. Thank you for joining me in today's video. Keep exploring, keep organizing, and here's to making your work life as productive as it can be with Clickup.